Let's go out, man.
To the motherfucking devil's place. Bitches die when I hear him say we sound the same. Bodies pile all the way to the devil's gates. Think we copy fucking artists, but motherfucker, we keep the same. Welcome to the motherfucking devil's place. Bitches die when I hear him say we sound the same. Bodies pile all the way to the devil's gates. Think we copy fucking artists, but motherfucker, we keep the same. They in the fucking bed, rubbing like influence in a place where all the bitches live. Black mass murderers, I'll be the one.
Hey, good morning guys, what's up? So today is the day of the court day, which I got for driving this. If you guys remember in the last video, not in the last video, it was maybe like a week and a half ago, video blew up a good amount. It's at like 350k views now, but I got pulled over with this thing. The registration was expired by like 2 or 3 months or 4 months. Don't worry about that, I renewed it literally the next day, so that's fine. But I got a court summons for it, so I had to go. He said that as long as you can prove that you re-registered the car and stuff, he's like, you shouldn't get anything. But I'm taking the car with me to court. Funny enough, I literally got pulled over down the street from the court anyway. But I'm gonna take this car. I haven't driven it since Hawk's Nest, that canyon run. Over a week ago. Because this weekend it just totally rained, Saturday and Sunday, and today it's like still wet out, but it's supposed to be sunny and 55, so I'm just gonna take the car. Hopefully we don't get pulled over or anything. I'm not gonna record in the actual like courtroom or anything. I'm not gonna be like a dick or anything, but I'll let you know what happens. This gives me an excuse to use, I got a head strap. This is the GoPro's Dan's. It's a Hero 5 Session. I'm using it instead of mine because the sound is way better, and also the image stabilization, yeah, that it's way better than my $50 GoPro. So I'm just gonna use this to do some POV shots. Probably in the next week I'm gonna put an actual POV video where it's just me doing pulls and stuff in this car. It's 8 a.m. right now, rush hour traffic and stuff, and people are going to work, so I'm not gonna be going too crazy on the street or anything like that. Plus it's still wet out. So I'm gonna save the POV video for another dry day, and then I also still have to edit up the whole video of the making of this car, the version 2. So up to the police station now. It's the police station and the court. There's actually a skate park all the way in the back where I used to ride my BMX all the time when I like still just had my license / was a teenager. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna get any reactions from the cops. Not that I really want to, but municipal court that way. Okay. Oh crap. I'm driving through the front of the court right now. Oh boy. I meant to park. See, there's a skate park right there. I gotta find a prime parking spot up here. This will do, I guess. So that was an absolute waste of time. It was apparently like a payable ticket, and I guess it's my fault because I didn't look at it. It was literally just a $55 ticket. That's all it was. And because I don't know, he said you have to go to court, and if you go to court you could like, but I wasn't gonna, it would be like a 2 to 3 hour process to plead not guilty and then prove that I renewed registration. So I mean, what's $55? You know, it's 3 hours. I could be making footage for you guys instead. It's funny because obviously the monetization of that video, like blowing up, getting like 300k plus views, is a lot more than $55, so kind of paid for itself. But I guess I'm just gonna go home now, edit up this video and post it for you guys just because of the cool POV shots and stuff. But I mean, that's an end to it. Some of the people in the comments were like threatening that they're gonna send the video to like the Edison Police Department or something. So that's it. It's over with. $55. Case closed. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go get some McDonald's on the way home to celebrate and enjoy the POV footage of me driving home. So many people look at me with that thing on my head. It's crazy. But then again, it's rush hour traffic, and if you guys don't know, in like New Jersey, New York, rush hour traffic, people do not care what's going around them. There could be like a fist fight, there could be a gunfight. They don't care. They're just trying to get to work. They hate their lives. So I'll see you guys in the next video.